Hi, I'm Mark Anthony, and in this video today I'm going to give you some downloads on self-love. In the last video I spoke about self-love, the importance of self-love, and some things that you can actually do on a day-to-day basis that will actually help you build your self-love. So make sure you check out that video because it's really powerful to give you amazing tips and give you a greater understanding of why self-love is so important. But if you'd like to receive the healing downloads, I use a technique called Theta Healing. It's really phenomenal. It's the most powerful technique that I've come across. And if you'd like to receive the healings from these downloads, then just say yes as I'm stating the downloads and you'll receive the energy of that healing. So, can we teach you what it feels like to love yourself? That you know how to love yourself and that you're worthy and deserving of loving yourself. And we'll give you Creator's perspective on love, that you know what it feels like to receive the Creator's love, that you know that you're worthy and deserving of receiving Creator's love, and that you know what unconditional love feels like, and that you allow yourself to receive, accept, and keep unconditional love, and knowing that you're worthy and deserving of receiving, accepting, and keeping unconditional love, and that you know how to respect, appreciate, and nurture yourself. That it's safe and possible for you to respect, appreciate, and nurture yourself, and that you allow yourself to be respected, appreciated, and nurtured by others, and that you're worthy and deserving of being respected, appreciated, and nurtured by others. And also that you know how to let go of judgment and criticism, that you know how to live without criticizing and judging yourself, and that it's safe and possible for you to live without criticizing and judging yourself. And we'll teach you how to live without taking on other people's criticism and judgment of you. Teach you how to live without having to believe other people's criticism and judgment of you. And we'll teach you how to live without regret. Teach you how to let go of your past, that it's safe and possible for you to move forward from your past, and that you know how to move forward from your past. And teach you how to live without punishing yourself for your past actions, words, or thoughts. And we'll teach you how to forgive yourself for your past actions, and teach you that it's safe and possible for you to forgive yourself for your past actions. Okay, and we'll also teach you what it feels like to love yourself, what it feels like to look in the mirror and love what you see, what it feels like to love the way you look, and what it feels like to love your physical body, to appreciate your physical body, and what it feels like to know that right now you are the best version of yourself, and that you allow yourself to become better in every moment of your life, that you allow yourself to continue growing better and better, and that it's safe and possible for you to grow better and better each day. Okay, so if you're happy to receive those downloads, then just say yes and you'll receive them all. Cool. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I know these downloads will really help you in shifting your mindset and allowing yourself to love yourself more. So if you like the video, like it, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You'll be notified of upcoming videos that we've got happening. And it's a really, really huge honor for me to be able to share these videos with you, to be able to share some of this knowledge and to be able to share this healing ability and this healing technique with you guys, because it's really profound and it's transformed my life, and I know it will transform yours. So thank you for your time, and I look forward to seeing you all very soon.